spaceships are back! Yeah! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just to be out here. We're open for any catches and have a good time. It's a little bit rough today.
Look at this. These guys are nice. They let us out. It's not even 8 o'clock.
Diaz, are you ready? Yay! High five! Perfecto! The captain and my brother Matthias and my dad are enjoying the fishing. For bait, we're using dead sardines.
There you go. Look, you a fish.
Faster, Dylan.
Look,
Here he comes. Oh, look at that, a little joker.
The little joker. My baby fish. Honey fish.
What you got, Mattia?
Maybe baby kingfish.
I think you got 2-pound yellowtail.
Maybe a mackerel.
Maybe. Oh, down, Matthias. Got this. Right on top of this carb. There's no carb in here. Carb. Maybe. Maybe a shark. Break my arm. Even you got tired. You break my arm. Dude, I see it. Oh my god. Honey, how? That thing is like a shark.
You're doing beautiful. You're doing beautiful. I got it.
Is it a baby shark?
Yeah, take your time. You'll get him. Nice and smooth. Beautiful.
Here he comes, guys.
Shark!
Mattia got a big shark.
Shark! Shark mouth! My first time getting a shark! That's a big shark! It's my first time! I told you it's a shark! You see that, guys? So my brother caught a shark and my dad got 2 cereal muffins. Guys, I got a big fish on! Maybe a big yellow snapper. A little spoon. There's 3 jellyfishes! You go on my feet. I can't. Oh, kingfish. Mom,
Really?
got this.
Oh, wow, look at that. That's a remora.
It's okay. That means Kobe is here.
Laura, sticky guy.
What I
I
got?
want to stick it in the window. Still slippery. Get over
Grab him under his belly.
I'm grabbing him in the...
Guys.
I got another fish on. No. Yeah. Big yellowtail.
Oh, look at this. Mangrove, Dylan.
What's that? Mangrove. Tuna. Come on. Look at that.
I was going to chase him down, but I got returned him.
Oh, he's coming up now.
Look at this big stingray.
Get good picture.
Sorry.
You got it. Let go.
Look, guys, big stingray. Let's release him.
Guys, this is all the fish we caught. Look at those teeth. See those teeth? Too big.
Three stopper, keeper.
Good job. We got him going.
You almost slapped me in the face. Guys, I got him. Right on the sitting, guys. I got a little one.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Maybe a baby. Born. Not big. Here's a promise.
Yellowtail.
Oh, yellowtail. Look at that baby guy. That big yellowtail. Sweet bear. Guys, we're trolling right now. Look at the waves. I'm soaking wet. Guys, I have a fish on.
Jake, the other one, there may be mackerel. Come on, mackerel. If you need help, give him a holler. There you go. You're doing good. You're doing fine. Look, Spanish mackerel, even better.
Wonderful.
The Spanish mackerel, I like even better.
I like this even better.
Just ain't it?
Yeah, he's very angry. Look at his teeth. These are my burritos.
A good bait.
Look at this guy.
In a pinch, you can cut that up for guppy bait.
Teeth. The guy, you want to see his teeth?
Lane.
This thing's cold.
Is he nice and cold? Wonderful.
Okay. Look at these scales. Pretty. Look at that big eye. God's throwing in.
Those ain't bad little
Ooh, that
mangroves.
hurts a pig.
They're not bad little mangroves.
They're good.
They
I
ain't
caught the
bad little
biggest one.
mangroves.
This is the littlest one, I think.
That's probably the one I caught, the baby.
I caught the big one.
That's my luck, I'm sure.
If this is it for today, I'll be like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that juicy button. Ciao.